Welcome to the tutorial video of B2B Travel Suppliers Portal. Please open Chrome browser or Firefox browser or Edge browser in your desktop or laptop. Now click b2btravelsuppliers.com on the browser. And now you will find the index page of b2btravelsuppliers.com. Now please write your registered email ID in the section of username. Now go to the password section and give the password which you have given in the registration process. Now click on the login button. Oops, you have given the wrong password or you might forgot your password. So what to do? Now you can go to the forgot password link and click on it. Now click on email ID and write your registered email ID on this section. And click the submit button. Now password has been sent successfully to your registered email ID from our no reply @ b2btravelsuppliers.in email. Now go to your email inbox and check the or retrieve the password. If you don't find the mail at your inbox, would request you to go to the spam folder or junk folder and retrieve the password. Hope you have now retrieved the password and come back to the again this b2btravelsuppliers.com homepage and continue the process again. Go to the username section again, write your registered email ID and go to the password section. Hopefully you have remembered your retrieve password right now, which you have retrieved couple of minutes back. Now click on the login button. Congratulations, you have logged into the B2B Travel Suppliers portal. Now you can explore the whole range of B2B travel suppliers or vendor from across the globe. Now let us take you through the entire page. You are finding here demo, but when you will log into your account, you will find your agency name which you have given in the registration process. Now you are finding here one unique number. In the same way, you will get your one unique identification number from our end for this subscription. You will get the activation date for your subscription and expiry date for this subscription. The right side of this panel, you will get the customer care of the b2btravelsuppliers.com, and after right side, you will get the customer care email ID for the b2btravelsuppliers.com. Now go to the main section, search panel of the b2btravelsuppliers.com. Now click on the type search box. You will get 5 kind of types in the search box: ancillaries, domestic, general, international and special. Now you have to think which kind of type you are looking for or what kind of suppliers you are looking for, whether it's a domestic, whether it's an international, whether it's a general, whether it's a special, whether it's a ancillaries. So clicked on domestic part to take you through. So once you clicked on the domestic part, clicked on the destination button. Once you click the destination button, you will get the destination places from where you can choose your suppliers or vendor. Here you will get lots of destination domestic areas like from India. Now you can scroll it down one by one, or you can give your desired destination and write it in the search button. So suppose we are writing Kashmir. You are finding Kashmir. So now think which kind of supplier you are looking in the Kashmir. So what you need to do, you need to click on the category type. So once you clicked on the category, you will find cruise, DMC, hotelier, sightseeing, or transporter. So clicked on transporter and then search. Look, you have got the result page. Here you are getting three results in the first page of the search result. In the same way, if you clicked on the second page, again you are getting three results in the second page. It means you are getting six transporter in the Kashmir. So check each and every company or transporter from your search result. Now you can get any of them at your email ID to contact with them and to coordinate with them to make your inventory strong and to make the holiday packages for your customer. Suppose you want to get these details, number 5, these details at your email ID. So what you need to do? Okay, let me tell you in between. These all datas, result datas are the demo data. These are not the original data. But when you will logged into your account, you will get the original result. These are all the dummy data. So what you need to do? Go to the bottom of the result page and clicked on the email button. Once you clicked on the email button, that particular supplier will that supplier details will go to your registered email ID. So again, you can go to your registered email ID and get the details of that company, that transporter company. So now you can make coordinate with that company to make business with Kashmir Transporter and do the direct business with them to enhance your profitability, to enhance your service areas. So again, you want to now search the international area. So what you need to do the click on the reset button. So go to the again type area, clicked on international. Now again you need to click on the destination area. So again you will find loads of country. So you can go through by one, or you can write your desired country from the list. Suppose you are searching Thailand. So just write THA Thailand. So clicked on, here is the Thailand. Just clicked on it, Thailand. So now go to the category section and clicked on it. So now system is asking whether you are looking for DMC, hotel consolidators, hoteliers, or visa operators. Suppose you are looking for DMC. So clicked on DMC and clicked on the search result. So here we go. Again, you are getting all the DMC of Thailand in your search result. So you can check one by one and go to the button of the page. This is the first page of the result. So here you are getting 14 page of the Thailand suppliers. So you can go one by one. It's a second, 4, 5, 6. You can check one by one, or you can choose any one, 7, 8, 9, or you can go to the last page even. It's the last page. So here you got the 40 DMC in the Thailand. So you can do business from any of them. So just click on the email button to get the all details of the that company. So to start business with your agency. So clicked on that email button. This supplier details has been now sent to your registered email ID. Thus, you can make any search or any your desired requirement from your B2B travel suppliers portal. So again, we are resetting the panel. So we have take you through one is domestic, one is international. Now let's go to the special part. So you have selected special. Now go to the pan India. Special. Now go to the pan India and now go to the category forex and finance. Search. So here we go. You got one result from the special category search result. So here you are getting the finance company who will finance your customers holiday packages or anything related to travel. So you need to coordinate and contract with that company and make a deal with them so that any customer comes to your shop or office, you can finance your travel product like we do in the any electronic showroom. We go to the electronic showroom, we purchase mobile, fridge, TV. What we do, we purchase, but finance company make the payment to the showroom, and you as a customer do the EMI payment to that finance company. Thus, you can do the same thing from now onwards if you do the deal with that finance company. If you need to do this kind of things, again you click on this email and get the details at your registered email ID and do contact with them to make a deal with your agency. Thus, you can do the search for from your B2B travel suppliers portal. So now clicked on the home button. Again, you are getting the same page. In my profile, if you clicked on it, you will get what you have give while you have doing the registration process. Now clicked on home page. Now start mining or start exploring the whole range of travel or suppliers or vendors for your requirement. Make sure always you do log out from the proper source. If you logged out or close the browser from here, your account would be suspended for few sometimes. So would request you always log out from the proper logout button. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Hope you liked this video. Please follow our all the social media link page at the button of our index page. You can go and subscribe our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, Instagram channel, LinkedIn channel, WhatsApp group, Twitter group or Telegram channel. Thank you for again watching this video. Thank you.